model, 2017 Peugeot Expert Dispatch Professional Standard Blue 2.0 Hdi Euro 6 no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 110585. MOT, the 8th of November 2025. Engine, 1997 ccDW10FE. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Unfortunately, the alternator will need replacing. The battery light comes on intermittently, still start to drive exactly as it should. Absolute bargain with no VAT to pay whatsoever. Grin alternator needs replacing. Battery light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest.